A reliable heat source becomes essential when unexpected outages strike or winter temperatures drop sharply. The best emergency heater offers dependable warmth, quick ignition, and safe operation, giving you confidence and comfort during power failures or harsh conditions when you need heat the most. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Mr. Heater 9000 BTU Heater. The Mr. Heater 9000 BTU Heater stands out as a dependable emergency and portable heating solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use, offering either 4,000 or 9,000 BTU per hour. It provides strong radiant heat that can warm spaces up to approximately 225 square feet, making it a solid choice for garages, tents, cabins, workshops, or backup home heat during outages. Its clean burning performance paired with user-friendly operation makes it especially appealing for people who need quick, effective warmth without complicated setup. The built-in emergency low oxygen shutoff system and the tip-over safety design ensures safe operation in varied environments, while the self-extinguishing construction adds an additional layer of protection. With 2 heat settings, you can easily adjust the output based on outdoor temperatures or room size. When paired with a standard 1-pound propane cylinder, it delivers up to 5.4 hours of heat on low and about 2.4 hours on high, which is ideal for short-term heating needs or mobile use. Overall, its reliability, portability, and strong heat output make this heater a go-to option for those who want peace of mind and steady warmth when facing cold weather or emergencies.
Number 2. Mr. Heater 3800 BTU Heater. Compact yet effective, the Mr. Heater 3800 BTU Heater is designed for small area heating where convenience, portability, and safety matter most. Ideal for tents, small rooms, ice fishing shelters, and compact outdoor spaces, this unit outputs 3800 BTU per hour, enough to warm up to 95 square feet comfortably. It uses propane gas and features a simple 1-button ignition, allowing you to get quick heat without hassle or preparation. Its 8-inch round stand requires minimal floor space, making it easy to position anywhere without feeling intrusive. Safety is one of its strongest attributes, featuring both an accidental tip-over shutoff and an automatic low-oxygen shutoff system, ensuring that the heater stops operating if air quality or stability becomes compromised. These features make it especially suitable for enclosed camping spaces or emergency indoor use where safety cannot be overlooked. Lightweight and easy to transport, it's a dependable option for campers, travelers, and anyone needing rapid heat in tight spaces. The combination of simplicity, reliability, and strong safety engineering makes this heater a valuable tool for cold weather outings and emergency preparedness kits.
Number 3. Lasko CT18950 Heater. The Lasko CT18950 heater brings modern design, strong heating capability, and multiple smart features together, making it an appealing option for medium to large rooms. Its curved, sleek tower design not only looks contemporary, but also improves heat distribution with a wide grille and 120-degree oscillation. This allows warmth to spread evenly throughout an office, living room, or bedroom. Safety plays a major role in its design. It includes a ceramic insert plug to prevent overheating, tip-over protection, child lock features, and cool touch housing, making it suitable for families and pets. With Auto Eco Mode, the heater automatically adjusts output to maintain comfort while reducing energy use, saving up to 50% more energy than constant high-power modes. Users can choose from 3 heat settings and 2 fan settings, all accessible via easy touch controls or the included remote. The large digital display auto-dims for nighttime use, adding convenience. The built-in timer offers up to 12 hours of operation, perfect for overnight or extended heating sessions. With powerful heat felt from over 5 feet away and thoughtful safety additions, this heater blends performance with comfort-focused features that make everyday heating easier and more efficient. Number 4. Lasko 1500 Watt Heater. The Lasko 1500-watt heater is a strong choice for anyone needing quick, quiet, and customizable heating in medium-sized indoor spaces. With two heat settings, high at 1500 watts and low at 900 watts, plus a thermostat controlled mode, this heater lets you fine-tune temperature levels to your preference. The electronic controls and easy-to-read digital display make operation simple, even for first-time users. For added convenience, it includes a multi-function remote that allows you to adjust temperature, speed, timer, and oscillation without getting up. The built-in 8-hour auto-off timer ensures you never accidentally leave it running too long, adding both safety and energy savings. Its widespread oscillation feature helps distribute heat throughout the room, avoiding cold pockets and improving overall comfort. Whether used in a bedroom, office, or living room, this heater delivers consistent warmth with minimal noise, making it suitable for daily use. Its compact design and reliability make it especially useful during winter months or emergency heating situations.
Number 5. MOZODAWN 13,000 BTU Heater. The MOZODAWN 13,000 BTU heater is a versatile 2-in-1 propane heater and stove designed for campers, adventurers, and anyone needing both heat and cooking capability in challenging conditions. With a stainless steel threaded interface and a high-quality heating element, it's built for long-term durability and reliable performance, even with frequent outdoor use. Its adjustable switch lets you control heating intensity with ease, while the portable handle allows you to carry it comfortably between campsites, cabins, or emergency setups. With a powerful 13,000 BTU output, it delivers fast, 360-degree radiant heating that warms people and small spaces quickly, ideal for tents, ice fishing shelters, or outdoor gatherings. Safety is a key focus, featuring a tip-over switch that shuts the unit off if knocked over, an automatic shut-off after flame loss, and an ODS system that stops operation if oxygen levels drop. This combination of features ensures peace of mind whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. Perfect for cold weather camping, emergency home use, or tailgating, this heater offers excellent heat output, multi-purpose utility, and strong safety protections, making it a dependable companion wherever warmth and portability are required. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.